Anyway, Google hints at a Pixel 6a to superfans in coloring. I like that headline.
Yeah, sorry. This was supposed to be in the beginning.
I like the headline,
with the
though.
tech stuff, but
No, I like this headline.
I had to reshuffle.
Google hints at Pixel 6a to superfans in coloring book. Okay, so I guess
makes a coloring book.
Google has a coloring book apparently, and you can see it's a variety of objects in the inside of this coloring book. But if you look closely, you'll see there's a Google Pixel leaning against an object over there. Prior to the launch of the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, Google opened up its Pixel Superfans group to more people, giving them the opportunity to join others who happen to be as obsessed with Google's hardware. The group has sent out a couple of goodies to members since mostly in sock form. Ooh, the sock theme has now gone through multiple
Trucks
stories.
and socks.
What's that?
Trucks and socks.
Yeah, trucks and socks. Anyway, so I guess they were sending socks to their superfans. I didn't even know Google did all this stuff. However, this week, select Pixel superfans were treated to a package that included a Nest Audio and a really cool coloring book. Coloring can be very, by the way, I have small humans at my house, children.
Yeah.
You may call them children.
Mm-hmm.
They have the coloring items always around. And sometimes you would just pick it up and you would do an activity together.
Mm-hmm.
And you find yourself coloring or shading or something like this. And you're in the moment and you're calm.
It's therapeutic. It's like flow state.
When's the last time you were coloring something or drawing something?
Last weekend. Nash is a painter, so I help her out every now and then.
Are you trying to promote right now? Can we see the work that you did?
No, she doesn't.
The website.
Anywhere.
We can't see the work that you did.
My work? No, dude. My work is just I'm doodling with her.
What
She's
is this?
doing
What
the
is this?
art,
This is what you're doing?
This is how I do it right here.
Wow. I felt like you were throwing cash or something there.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll take your word for it.
All right, thanks, man.
Sure.
And we'll also, I mean, we are all aware of his previous art career. Like the audience, we don't need to tell anybody. We're talking about Will Do.
Yeah, you don't need to speak about it.
Well, we're gonna speak.
Everyone
We're just gonna say
okay.
willdoart.com, which he let the URL lapse, which is actually that's an amazing URL, and I like to rub it in whenever possible that he let that URL actually lapse.
Maybe I'll get the ETH version. We'll do art.
Okay, all right. The futuristic.
I'll bring
version.
it back.
Someone's gonna go get it right now.
I know.
Said
Yeah.
that anyway.
It's over.
So in the back of the coloring book, on page 16, Google lists out featured products you would find showcased throughout. On page 6-7, it suggests fans will find both the Nest thermostat and the Pixel 6a. It's an Easter egg, ladies and gentlemen, for the Pixel super fans.
Look, it's right there.
And so you get to see a little peek of a line-drawn Pixel 6a. So you're in the know. You're the first to know because you're a super fan. You see, you give the exclusive little tidbits.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice for
Pixel
Google to reveal teasers.
I got an update on my Pixel. My Pixel, I got no problems with my Pixel.
Teaser?
I got no problems with my Pixel.
Yeah.
So on page 6-7. Mo, you wanted more? Mo, did you want more?
I mean, it looks kind of
No,
like
it's page 16. The teaser was earlier.
Oh, I see.
Will just likes moving his mouse.
This one
there.
right here.
No. It was on page 6-7 or something. Yeah, there it is.
This one.
Yeah, there you go.